Hey everyone, and welcome to our adventure. We're going to India to a busy town called Barbil. This town is a hidden gem, often overlooked by many travelers. It's tucked away in the hills of Odisha, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and industrial significance. Barbil is a place full of both minds and amazing nature. The juxtaposition of lush green forests and bustling mining areas is truly fascinating. Today we're going to explore this cool place, learn about its geography and understand what makes it so special. We'll dive into how important its iron ore is, not just for the local economy but for the entire country. And of course we'll take in the breathtaking landscapes that make Barbil a visual treat. Come with me as we meet the people who live there, hear their stories and experience their warm hospitality. We'll learn about their vibrant culture, from traditional dances to local festivals that bring the community together. And we'll find the hidden treasures that make this place special, like secret waterfalls and unexplored trails. We'll also talk about the challenges Barbil faces, such as balancing industrial growth with environmental conservation. Finally, we'll explore the efforts being made to ensure sustainable growth while protecting the natural beauty of the area. So, buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable journey through Barbil. Our journey begins in the culturally rich state of Odisha, located in the eastern part of India. Odisha is a land of diverse landscapes, from its serene beaches to its dense forests and rolling hills. It's famous for its ancient temples that stand as a testament to its rich history and heritage, and for its lush green landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Nestled right in the middle of these rolling hills and dense forests is the town of Barbil. This small town is surrounded by natural beauty, with hills that seem to touch the sky and forests that are teeming with life. The location of Barbil is crucial to understanding its story. It's not just a town, it's a place where nature and industry coexist in a delicate balance. Barbil is situated about 150 kilometers west of Bhubaneswar, the bustling capital city of Odisha, known for its vibrant culture and rapid development. It's also just 80 kilometers from Jamshedpur, a major industrial hub that plays a significant role in the region's economy. This strategic location makes Barbil an ideal spot for industrial activities, blending the natural landscape with human enterprise. The nearby hills are covered in dense sal and mahua forests, which are not only beautiful, but also play a crucial role in the local ecosystem. These forests are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, making them a haven for wildlife and a vital part of the region's natural heritage. As we explore Barbil, we'll see how this unique landscape has shaped the town, its people, and its economy. The hills and forests are not just backdrops, they are integral to the way of life here. From the bustling mining operations that drive the local economy to the serene waterfalls that offer a peaceful escape, Barbil is a place of contrasts. The story of Barbil is deeply intertwined with its land. It's a tale of how nature and industry can coexist, each shaping the other in profound ways. Barbil's story is all about hard work and industry, a testament to human perseverance and the relentless pursuit of progress. Nestled in the heart of Odisha, Barbil is a town that thrives on the strength of its people and the richness of its land. The region is blessed with abundant iron ore deposits hidden beneath the Earth's surface, waiting to be unearthed. This natural wealth has been the backbone of Barbil's economy, driving its growth and development over the years. This town is super important to India's industry, a vital cog in the nation's industrial machinery. The bustling town centre and the sprawling industrial areas are a testament to its significance. Barbil's mines produce a substantial portion of the country's iron ore, fueling industries and contributing to the nation's economic strength. The extraction process is a marvel of modern engineering, showcasing the blend of human effort and technological advancement. The discovery and exploitation of these iron ore reserves have transformed Barbil from a quiet, sleepy town into a bustling hub of activity. The aerial views of the town reveal a landscape that has been reshaped by progress and ambition. You can hear the sounds of industry everywhere. Trucks carrying iron ore, machines working tirelessly, and miners digging deep into the earth. These sounds are the heartbeat of Barbil, a constant reminder of its industrial prowess. This industrial boom has created numerous job opportunities, providing livelihoods for thousands of people. The mines and factories have become the lifeline for many families, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Barbil attracts people from all over, drawn by the promise of work and a better life. This influx of newcomers has added to the town's vibrancy, creating a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Together, they all contribute to the town's energy and dynamism, making Barbil a unique place where tradition meets modernity. The busy streets are filled with the hustle and bustle of daily life, a testament to the town's thriving economy. But this progress has also created challenges. The rapid industrial growth has brought with it environmental concerns that cannot be ignored. Mining can hurt the environment, leading to deforestation, soil erosion, and pollution. These issues pose a significant threat to the region's ecological balance. Barbil needs to find ways to protect nature while it grows. Efforts are being made to adopt sustainable mining practices and to restore the natural habitat. The future of Barbil depends on finding a balance between industrial growth and environmental conservation. Even though industry is important, Barbil's real beauty is in its nature. Just outside of town, it's like a different world, full of green and peace. Tall sal trees create shade, and lots of plants and animals live below. But the most amazing things are the waterfalls. Badagegra and Kendujhar are two of the most famous, and they are both beautiful in their own ways. These waterfalls aren't just pretty, they're part of what makes Barbil special, and they're important to the environment. Barbil's weather is affected by India's monsoon season and its location in the hills. Summers are really hot and dry. The land gets very dry and waits for the rain, then the monsoon season comes and everything changes. It rains a lot, rivers fill up, waterfalls get bigger and everything turns green. Winter in Barbil is short and mild, a nice break from the hot summers and rainy monsoons. Even though it's in the hills, Barbil isn't isolated. Roads and railroads connect it to the rest of the world. These are like the town's lifelines, helping people and goods move around. Trucks carry iron ore to factories and ports all over India. The train carries iron ore and people, connecting Barbil to other cities. For many people, the train is more than just transportation. It represents progress and opportunity. These roads and railroads show how important Barbil is becoming. Barbil's story isn't just about geography or industry, it's about the people who live there and their cultures. Lots of different people live in Barbil, creating a mix of cultures. Tribal communities have lived here for a long time, connected to the forests and hills. When iron ore was discovered, many people came to Barbil for jobs, bringing their own traditions and languages. Everyone celebrates festivals together, and you can see and hear this mix of cultures everywhere. Traditional dances are performed with pride, celebrating life, nature, and community. Barbil also has hidden treasures waiting to be explored. You have to see Badagegra waterfall. The water flows down the rocks, creating a mist that's beautiful in the sunlight. You can even hike to the top for amazing views. Kendujhar waterfall is another must-see. It's the tallest waterfall in Odisha. And if you're interested in temples, visit the Barbil temple on top of a hill. The views from there are amazing. Like many industrial towns, Barbil has challenges. Mining can hurt the environment, like cutting down trees and causing pollution. But Barbil is working to fix these problems. They're planting new trees and using renewable energy, like solar power, to protect the environment. Barbil, a town of contrasts. As our trip ends, we can see that Barbil is a place of contrast, industry and nature, old traditions and new progress. We've seen the energy of its people, the different cultures, and the town's efforts to protect the environment while it grows. Barbil shows how people can adapt and overcome challenges. Thanks for joining us on this journey to Barbil. We hope you enjoyed learning about this special place in India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.